Y'all know what they say. Sitbacks make great comebacks. What is going on, guys? It is Hunter here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. And for today's segment, it is currently 9:57 in the AM. It is the last day of January. We are already finished officially over with the first month of the year, and we're on to the second one of the year. And big things, good and big things are coming with this trading journey, and also life journey, fitness journey, financial journey, etc., spiritual journey, whatever you want to call it. So today is another day of the trading recap. As y'all can see, I wanted to just have one of the stocks that I traded today as a background, as a filming background. So if you guys see the initial setup, like it's just for display purposes. I already took my trade this morning. So welcome back to the video. Today, like I said, is the trading recap, and I actually pulled out one of my old ancient ass journals that I had for a while. I want to show you guys really quick. So one sec, I'm not gonna actually film this. I'm just or like cut this out or anything. So let me just put y'all up here real quick so y'all can hear my shit. Attach it like that. There we go. All right. Hold up. Make sure. Okay. So, like I was saying, guys, as y'all can hear me, I hope. Hopefully it's not. Hopefully we good. I think it should be good. Anyways, so as you guys can see, this is one of my old journals. I started like it's so funny how this synchronicity happens because I started my trading journey a year ago, but I never really been this committed until now. Something in me sparked of like, you know what, you should get back into it and might as well utilize everything, at least the knowledge that you learn, and actually start applying the principles. And that's what we're doing, guys. We're just learning as we go on, but we're evaluating our strategy slowly but surely, risking our management properly. So today, guys, was a very interesting day. I will be honest, it was a break even day because I took two trades, but there I personally look to today as a winning day today. But in all honesty, it was a break even day. But in my eyes, what I envisioned was it was a winning day because I actually followed my rules today, guys. But I wanted to show you that this is the journal. I just put tape in, I put trading journal, and I have this bookmark because I re-educated myself on. See, as you guys can see on this this segment here, excuse me, it's just mastering. Just a basic summary of how to master your psychology, which is the most important aspect, bro, when it comes to trading. This right here, y'all, is very important when it comes to your trading as well. So, as y'all can see in the background, I have meta platforms up here. And at this time of recording, it's 10 a.m. And the price is looking at a solid $697.72 at the time of this recording right now. And I wanted to get into that. So before we get into that, I just want to show you guys my very old trades from a long time ago. I used to like see when I was actually journaling it, but now I'm taking journaling even more serious, actually adding detail. So I want to show y'all too. Hey man, this is part of the process. This is what actually it really is. At the end of the day, it's you versus you. Always remember that when it comes to this trading stuff, it's you versus you. So see, I have my lesson solutions after I take the trade. How did I feel? What I'm looking to it as. And personally, like I said, today was a winning day for me personally. But overall, broke even. Now let's get into the meat and potatoes of today's trade. So it's January 31st, and we took a big win today. I wrote this down. So it was a 7:05 call for Meta, and it was a very quick scalp, bro. Quick scalp off the market open. So we entered our trade off market open at around, let's see, around like 7:36 on my time because I live in the West Coast, like I said. So I have to wake up around like 6, 7 a.m. Actually, mainly 6 o'clock or like even 5, even for pre-market analysis. But like I said, the Discord I'm in, we all ate that. We all ate today. We all made money off of the meta, the Discord I'm in. So shout out to them. Shout out to that Discord I'm in. But yeah, man, I'm so glad I joined. I paid for like personally, I paid for something that I'm actually getting my money's worth, and it's just common sense, bro. Slowly but surely, I'm realizing more and more since I'm dabbling and using my real money, guys. Keep in mind, I'm using real money. It's really evaluating and making me like learn more and more about myself. I think that's one of the biggest aspects of trading that I'm realizing is just it's really you versus you. This for real thing. But let's get back to it. Meta 705 call, and we took a profit of $112. Uh, if I wanted to stay in the trade, I could have, but I noticed around. I'm glad I sold because around 9:30 is when they ended up starting to sell. Now, our losing trade for the break even aspect, we did an Apple trade. We did 242 call because it did hit the bounce of 242, but it just did not. It was not. Sellers were just overselling and just overall it lost me my whole entire contract, guys. Yeah, so we took a heavy loss of $140, but it was bearish the whole time of that trade because I've looked at off the candle wick. I was like, okay, now it's hitting the lower levels. We're looking at 242.01, and I'm looking to see if it can hit a breakthrough of like 246 of their earnings report because they were supposed to. I think they did come out with it, but it just maybe it wasn't too good. I don't know. Maybe sellers were just like, it's not what it's looking like. I wasn't sure with the Apple one. I was just watching the charts, right? Um, and then even in my journal too, I would write down like what I did right, like what I did correctly. So like I said, for me personally, it was a winning day. Uh, again, because like I said, we stick to our rules set today. I always remind myself to keep the momentum going, be ready for next week, and I was writing myself like, yeah. So did we win today? In all honesty, no, we broke even. But for me, like I said, okay, we took it. I think the biggest highlight of today's trading session, guys, was the fact that I actually followed my rules. I didn't feel anything about the trade. I didn't expect any outcome. I was just sitting there in real time, patiently waiting. But I'm realizing that using Robinhood Pro is I think it's more meant for like swing trading, in my opinion, because when you sell calls and stuff, or like when you sell your trades, like it fluctuates so fast, especially if you do 0 day expiration ones. Those are the most volatile. Those one have very high reward but very high risk with those kind of trades. Those are the ones that a lot of people day trade, but you can also swing trade them too. And we're swing trading one of them. Update on that one, the BIB. Still holding on to that one. So, but yeah, uh, like I said, overall, this is a quick trade recap for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and checking out the channel. And shout out to anybody who is also getting into this trading journey. You know what I'm saying? It's never too late to start, man. The market's still going to be around. Anybody at the convenience can learn this on their phone, bro. I'm trading on my phone personally. You know what I'm saying? It's just easier for me. And oh yeah, one of the other things I realized too, another highlight was the environment, bro. I think you need to have an environment around you that's like that can make you feel comfort of being patient. So it's just I think the best part about like this overall of trading so far is like the fact that I'm not looking at the outcome. Either I win or lose. You can't look to it as that. It's more of like helping you identify who you are, like what kind of person you are, what kind of things you're good at, what kind of things you're not good at. You know what I'm saying? Another great thing I also did in my rule set that I always implement and everybody else should is do not ever revenge trade. If you're gonna take two trades, that is it. If that first trade wins, cool. If the second one loses, like it did today, cool. I'm done for the day. I'm done. I still took it as a win. I made 112. You know what I'm saying? Slow motion better than no motion, like I said, y'all. So yeah, y'all. That's another piece of advice I can give to any super beginner trader. You know what I'm saying? I'm an intermediate, meaning I'm not a pro trader, but I know the principles and how to do it and how to trade. It's just looking at my strat of how I'm going to make profit for me personally. At the end of the day, that's up to y'all. Like I said, this is your CEO. You know what I mean? You're the CEO of your own business. You got to treat this like a second job, guys. That's what I look to it as. Don't leave your job. If you're working a 9 to 5, keep that job and just find time to trade. You know what I'm saying? You can trade anything. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to trade options. You can trade futures. You can trade regular stocks if you wanted to. You can trade crypto, bro. You could do it at the convenience of your own phone. And even better, you could do it at the convenience of your own crib. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, you all got to have that environment that can make you thrive, where you're gonna get it. You know what I'm saying? So Matt, I'm going with this. This is an overall digital journey, letting you know that I am getting to the point where I'm staying disciplined. Like today was the day where I was like, all right, let's follow our rules. Let's stop fucking around. Let's not be buffoons over here. No FOMO. That's another thing. So yeah, I mean, I could go on and on about this, but I want to keep this rolling. But yeah, this overall, guys, pretty chill day. It's 10:08. I do work today at work, so yeah, the grind don't stop, brother. Hustle don't stop. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all get that bread too. Stack up, stay up for God. You know what I'm saying? Get right with it. If you're struggling with vices, like myself, this is for me to motivate myself for y'all too, to just overcome that shit and focus on what needs to be done, bro. Because we only have one life, bro, and time is flying fast. We literally February is tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Road to 100 subs. Let's get it.